So we're doing a quick review on this new Man U telescopic seat. I love the fact that you can take this traveling with you. You can take it camping, hiking, fishing. I mean, you could even take it to ball games if there's not seating. Super simple. You're simply going to grab these two handles, and then on the other side, put your fingers in the thumb holes and then pull out and twist just like you would a telescope. This is roughly 20 inches tall and completely adjustable. It does come with this seat cushion as well. Since it is adjustable, if you have kids or grandkids, you'll be able to use this for them. My husband is roughly 220 pounds, and I believe this one can go up to about 1,000 pounds. Definitely heavy duty construction. Now he's going to show you how easy it is to fold back up and to adjust it. Again, you just turn the top and bottom and it folds back up. He is going to show you how you can use it as a little step stool as well. And he is 6 foot tall. He was really impressed at how sturdy it was and didn't feel shaky at all. So we both definitely love this and recommend it. Great to travel with, great construction, and just overall super easy to set up and take down.